shipyard here in Jamaica is creating a new paradigm where productivity at the highest German level is brought here.
They've been here before, but they're here this time to inject significant investment in the development of what we are looking to call the Kingston Green Climate Port.
We want to see an industry that allows for the creation of high-quality, commercially viable content, not just for domestic markets, but for global markets.
This strategic rebranding initiative represents more than a symbolic change. It signifies a profound dedication to adapting and enhancing trade services to meet the evolving needs of the business community.
It's a groundbreaking global market intelligence and compliance gateway.
Welcome to a quick guide on using JA Customs Connect, the Jamaica Customs Agency's mobile application. Today we will be focusing on downloading the app. Open the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Search for Jamaica Customs. Tap the app's icon. It is represented by the Jamaica Customs Agency's logo. On Android devices, tap Install. On Apple devices, tap Get. If using an Apple device, you may be prompted to enter your Apple ID or Face ID. Once the app is installed, it will appear on your home screen or in your app drawer.
This treaty represents a significant advancement in promoting inclusivity and access to knowledge for one of the most vulnerable groups in our society.
Basically, what it does is it allows for the creation of accessible format books without being an infringement of the Copyright Act.
In the rapidly evolving global environment, embracing digitization, and digital transformation is necessary. As we look at the seventh decade of our political independence, I want us to understand that political independence means nothing until we can solidify and make sure sustainably we are economically independent. And that's what I'm so happy for Centerfield to be about. You are here helping us to build that economic independence that will strengthen our political independence.